Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado lassi. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, about 1 cup of plain yogurt, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe, soft to the touch but not overly mushy. You'll also need a good blender to achieve that wonderfully smooth, creamy texture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and refreshing drink. Now, let's get blending. Scoop the avocado flesh into your blender, then add the yogurt and your chosen sweetener. If the mixture seems too thick, you can add a small splash of milk or water to reach your preferred consistency. Blend everything on high speed until it's incredibly smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. This step is key for a luxurious lassi. Once blended, give your avocado lassi a taste. This is your chance to adjust the sweetness. Add more honey or syrup if you like it sweeter. For an extra layer of flavor, a small pinch of ground cardamom works wonders. Finally, pour your freshly made lassi into glasses and serve it immediately. It's best enjoyed chilled and fresh. There are many ways to enjoy and customize your avocado lassi. Feel free to experiment by adding other fruits like mango or banana for different flavor profiles. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your lassi with a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a fresh mint sprig. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day, and for that, you might want to check out the Oala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade avocado lassi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.